Hey everyone, welcome to Module 3. This module is all about the Adalo builder and the builder interface itself. I did want to share this portion of it just because we may have some people that have never ever used Adalo before and are starting from scratch. So when you log in, at some point you will probably be taken to this screen where you're asked to kind of make your first app. Um, and so we're going to actually choose just the native mobile app option here. And then I'm going to choose the blank. Instead of using a template, we're just going to use a blank app here. And I've gone ahead and named it just not the gram, course demo. Um, Make sure that it's on my team. I think it probably will be on your team by default. And then this primary color, remember we already set up our style guide, so all we have to do is copy and paste these colors here. Um, so let's go over here. Here's my primary color. So I'm just going to copy this, Command C, and let's just kind of paste it in this hex code right here. So there we go, there's our primary color. And our secondary color, I typically like to make this actually the gray color that we have in our style guide, which is actually all nines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Typically hex codes are 6 characters by default. So we're going to use all nines there for our gray color. All right.